Hey, this is Mr. Clockster, and well, we're gonna show you how to. Well, I'm going to show you how to download Screenium right here. So, Safari, Mac download on Mac only tutorial. So, Google. I already typed this in, but you just get a look at it first. I'll put a link in there, and then press enter. Go to the second one, or Screenium. And then download. But I already downloaded it, so I don't need to do that, but I'll show you. You just go here, and then like this, and then double click that, and then drag that in there, and that's it.